Yes.
Warm welcome.
Thank you so much. Hi, everyone.
Hi. How does it feel to be on the stage in Women in Tech?
It feels like a great honor, honestly. I'm very happy to be here today and to share a bit of my story with you guys.
Yeah. Tell us, if we start with Loop Chain that you founded, and also I know that you founded it based on a lot of experience and knowledge that you did from working in the fashion industry.
Yes.
Tell us about the background, but mostly it's like, why did you come up with that innovation and what do you hope it leads to?
So, long story short, I'll try. I started as a buyer in the fashion and luxury industry. So I have 10 years experience in supply chains and productions. And while working for like big companies like Hermes, Chloe, and Mugler, I was seeing huge amount of perfectly usable fabric, rolls, trims, whatever material, you name it, sitting and piling up and being considered as waste. And then I was supposed to call the company, pay a company to come and get them and for them to be buried and burned. So this was very shocking. And but it was a part of the normal business model. And this is really when I thought like it's not only a waste management issue, it's an intelligence gap here.
Yeah.
So this is when I started like Loop Chain.
Okay. And tell us about Loop Chain and how, yeah.
So Loop
like
Chain,
that pressure or like the things that you felt didn't work
Yeah.
led you to start Loop Change.
yes,
And tell us more about it and also how you're using AI
sure.
to accelerate circularity.
So Loop Chain is an AI-powered circular sourcing agent. We help company identify unused materials, then we match them with reuse opportunities, and then we help as well redesign products in order to incorporate reused material. So it's at a design level as well. We use AI in different level of the solution, but the first layer is primarily the matchmaking to make sure we can find ways to replace a component. And I'm talking a lot about textile industry, but actually it really works in any other industry, the automotive, the construction. So we can talk about a zip on the pouch, but we can talk about a door on a building that needs to be reused.
Reused, yeah. I also, just a question that pops up now, like spontaneously, also because I used to work with circularity, especially with children, and we did toy swap events for children and retail labs and many other things. But that was like a lot of this was 2011, so way back before AI.
Yeah.
But a lot of things with circularities are about behavioral change.
Yes.
And we've been aware of the urgency of transitioning to a more circular society and taking care of the environment better. But the willingness or actually the financial models to do that haven't been in place. Like many were like, yeah, we like circularity, but it's not financially sustainable for us. How does AI help out with those challenges and make it?
So the big thing with circularity, yes, in theory it looks very interesting, but for companies it needs to be extremely practical. It needs to reduce time, reduce cost, even can generate revenue somehow, and also make sure to be more resilient. And resilience is a big topic as well right now in supply chains. And AI helps all that because we retrieve information in real time. So we help within the companies to show them, okay, if you use this is how many CO2 emissions you can save by using non-virgin material. And it means like you comparing to a newly produced material, this is how much you're gonna save financially wise. And then so it's all these aspects that usually take a lot of time to calculate or really see that with AI is really early on in the design process even. We can say, okay, you use this reuse solution, these are all the pros, technically.
And AI helps you solve them.
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, what do you look forward to, and what do you see Loop Chain, like very shortly, but where do you see Loop Chain kind of in 5 years?
In 5 years from now, we have a big topic right now. So we're working on different kind of verticals. So textile is a huge one, construction is another one. And slowly but surely, we're going to automotive to understand the real pain points and how we could actually fit in layers. Loop Chain, in 5 years, we would really want it to be adopted in companies that have supply chains in general and productions to really be a daily tool. in the sourcing, in the product development as well.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, and I really hope it does, and it also, especially because it's going to make a huge impact for the environment if it's implemented rightly, and AI can help reduce so much waste as well. Okay,
definitely.
Thank you so much, Audrey. Thanks for sharing, and thanks for being here with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you so much.